श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
भद्रं भद्रं
भद्रं
पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
स्थिरैरङ्गैः
स्थिरैरङ्गैः
तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः।
सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः
व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः।
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृत्रश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथा राये अस्मान्।
ॐ अग्नेनय सुपताराये अस्मान्।
विश्वानि देवा वयुनानि विद्वान्।
विश्वानि देवा वयुनानि विद्वान्।
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो।
युयोध्यस्मत् जुहुरानमेनो।
भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम।
भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः।
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च।
श्रोत्रमतो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च
सर्वाणि
सर्वाणि।
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु।
अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
So now we'll have one more new Shanti mantram. You must, it is there in the Veda mantra page and it is also found in the Upanishad. Now recite, oh, 2 times you tell. It is a very wonderful Shanti mantra. Om Vang Me Manasi Pratisthita.
ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता। ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता।
Mano me vachi pratishthitam.
Mano me vachi pratishthitham. Mano me vachi pratishthitham.
Aviravirma edhi.
Avirāvirmah eji. Avirāvirmah eji.
Vedasya ma'ani sthaha.
Vedasya mahani staha. Vedasya mahani staha.
Srutam me ma prahasi.
Shrutam me ma prahasi. Shrutam me ma prahasi.
Anenadhitena.
Anenaditena. Anenaditena.
Ahoratran sandadhami.
Ahoratran sandadhami. Ahoratran sandadhami.
Rutam vadishyami.
Rutam bhavishyami. Rutam bhavishyami.
Rutam vadishyami.
Rutam vadishyami. Rutam vadishyami.
Satyam vadishyami.
Satyam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami.
Tanmamavatu tadvaktaramavatu.
Tanmam bhavatu ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Vaktaramavatu.
ವಕ್ತಾರಮವತು ತನ್ಮಾಮವತು ವಕ್ತಾರಮವತು
Avatu mamavatu.
ಅವತು ಮಾಮವತು ಅವತು ಮಾಮವತು
Vaktaramavatu vaktaram.
ವಕ್ತಾರಮವತು ವಕ್ತಾರಂ ವಕ್ತಾರಮವತು ವಕ್ತಾರಂ.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿಃ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿಃ.
This is a wonderful Upanishadic Rahasyam or Upanishadic statement where the truth is being explained to us in one manner. They said, look at the meaning. Vang me manasi pratisthita. Vang, the speech is coming from my heart or from my mind. And what is in my mind, that is coming out through speech. Again, next to them will tell, Mano Bevachi Pratishthitam. So whatever speech I have, all that speech is established in my mind. And therefore, the mind and speech, they are together. They are not separable. They are not independent. And therefore, we make a prayer, Aviravi, whatever protection regarding my speech, regarding my mind necessary, that protection, security, you please bestow in me. And you are this pillar of the entire knowledge and mind behavior and also the speech flow. Therefore, Vedasya Anistaha. And therefore, Srutam me ma prahasihi. The stretch of my learning, whatever I have heard or whatever mantras I learned, whatever knowledge I picked up, you don't get humiliating me like that. Don't laugh at that, because whatever little I learn is really learned for me, and don't mock at it. Prahasi means don't laugh, don't mock, don't make it belittle. because anenadhitena ahoratran sandadhami. So I would like to practice it, ahoratras, with whatever little knowledge I have got. I want to practice that. And I speak truth, I speak Rutam, and therefore, O gods, you protect me. Tanmamavatu, you protect me. Tad Vaktaramavatu, you protect my Vakta, namely the Guru, the teacher, the initiator, the Rishida. And Avatumam, again you make a prayer. Avatumam, may you again protect me. Avatu Vaktaram. So again you protect the teacher and teach protect. So here there is a beautiful prayer that walk and mind have got to be very much taken care that we will be comfortable in our life. Now we go back to the Avagraha Suktam, which we have been doing, trying to know. These are all various formulas to appease the Navagrahas and also to get Subha Phala from the Navagrahas. And if at all they are not well placed in our horoscope or in the anybody's native, then you can make a japa of them that they will become favorable, because our life is being governed by the Navagrahas, the 9 planets. That's what the astrologers and all people say, and our rishis tell, because the Navagrahas have been introduced to us right from Yajurveda and then more so in the Puranas, and now it is very popular. And especially anybody born upon the earth, depending on the date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth, the horoscope is computed, and the planetary position is being fixed in the respective houses, depending upon the stars in which the planets are there. And therefore, the beautiful horoscope is getting ready. But still, we cannot have perfect life here. We'll have ups and downs and all that. But as far as possible, we want a perfect life. For that purpose, we have got the immediately attending operative nearby deities who are responsible for our journey of life, and all these are planets. That is called Navagrahas. And again, these Navagrahas are the representative of the respective Vedic gods, because the stature and growth and development and presence of all these Vedic gods have been in different forums. Through so many forums, they are protecting, governing, and taking care of, or giving some kind of changes, all that is taking place. So in that context, the Navagrahas are very important, because they are the governors of, or they are the protectors or rulers of the respective parts of our body, also inside. So inside and outside our life, there is the influence, there is the protection, and there is the need of uh, asking them to take care of us. So we have been going that Surya is first one, because he is one who is supervising. In the first mantra, we have seen Asatyena Rajasa Vartamano Niveshayan Amrutam Martyancha Hiranyayena Savitarathena Devo Yati Bhuvana Vipasyan. So Surya Bhagavan is just supervising, and all bhuvanas, not only Bhuloka, there are 14 bhuvanas and more, Saptal, and all lokas, he is just supervising and bestowing the growth, prosperity, and all that at the same time. Amrutam is good. Martyam is incident or accident or death. So both good and bad, both are being are being deposited or bestowed upon the earth, and he is moving with his chariot all over, golden chariot, supervising the whole thing. So that's why we see Surya Bhagavan is Agni. Surya Bhagavan is light in the morning, Mitra, and in the night he is Varuna, And Mitra and Varuna are again the representatives of the Agni. Then we have, next to Surya Bhagavan, we have learned the mantra of Chandra, where we ask him to get appeased. Apyayasva sametute vishwataha soma vrushniyam bhava vajasya sangathe. So whenever we are performing homa and puja and all that on in our activity, you be very much benefic, presenting us some kind of one gift or the other. And we make the prayer to the Chandra Bhagavan in the second mantra, which we have learned. And in the third mantra, third planet is the Angaraka or Kuja. He is the Bhuputra. And Kuja is very much important. Again, it is a manifestation. He is a manifestation of Agni. And he is there upon the earth. He is a Prithvi Putra. That's why we make a prayer for the Prithvi also. That's Yona Prithvi Bhava Anrukshara Niveshani Yacha Naha Sharma Saprathaha. So we make a prayer to Prithvi that Anrukshara Niveshani Syona Bhava. Syona means Sukhada Bhava. You be one who will bestow on me happiness, not and also peace. Echa Naha Saprathaha Sharma. So Bhudevi, rather Angaraka, is requested to bestow in us shanti, happiness, auspiciousness, which will be widespread. Sapratha, pratha is spreading. So saprathaha, and he is important. He is the lord of the land at all places. So he is called as Kshetrapati, and he must be very much working to bestow on us hita, whatever that is congenial. So we make prayer to the Angaraka Graha. Now we have also covered, I think, Udbudhyasva Agne to Buddha Graha. And again, there is the interference of the Agni. We make prayer to Agni, you just Udbudhyasva, you get awakened and try to fulfill our desires, and whatever that we did, Ishta Purte Samsagum Sujetham. And whatever Ishta Purti, whatever that we like most, all that you please grant us. And see that the progeny continues and the Pitru Devatas are also being promoted or helped. Then Buddha is very much associated with the Vishnu. And Vishnu, that's why on Budhavaram, if we recite on Vishnu Sukta or Vishnu Sahasranama or any prayer to Vishnu, that's as good as making prayer to Buddha Graha. Therefore, we have the praise of Buddha Graha in this particular mantra, Vishnu Raratamasi, Vishnu Pushtamasi, all addressed to the eminence of the Buddha Graha. And we make a prayer that you make us quite strong upon this word. And Buddha is supposed to be the Jnanacharya, the son of Chandra and Rohini. So we make a prayer, Rohineyaya Vidmahe, then he is a Jnanacharyaya Dhimahi, Tanno Buddhaha Prachodayat. We make prayer to Buddha Graha. I think now we should do from Brihaspati. So we learn from Brihaspati now. Please repeat. Om Brihaspate Atiyadaryo. A little loud, whoever it is.
Om Brihaspate Atiyadaryo.
Om Brihaspate Atiyadaryo Arhatu. Jumadvibhati kratu Jumadvibhati.
जुमति भाति जुमति भाति
क्रतुमज्जनेषु
क्रतुमज्जनेषु क्रतुमज्जनेषु
यद्धीदयच्छवसा
यद्धीदयच्चवसा यद्धीदयच्चवसा
ऋतप्रजाता
ऋतप्रजाता ऋतप्रजाता
तदस्मासु द्रविणं धेहि चित्रम्
तदस्मासु द्रविणं देहि चित्रम् तदस्मासु द्रविणं देहि चित्रम्
इन्द्रमरुत्वा
इन्द्रमरुत्वा इन्द्रमरुत्वा
Yeah, ನಿಮ್ಮ video on ಮಾಡಿ, so that I can see your faces, how you can pronounce and all that, because pronunciation correct ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಂದ್ರಮರುತ್ವಾ
ಇಂದ್ರಮರುತ್ವಾ ಇಂದ್ರಮರುತ್ವಾ
ಇಹ ಪಾಹಿ ಸೋಮಂ
ಇಹ ಪಾಹಿ ಸೋಮಂ ಇಹ ಪಾಹಿ ಸೋಮಂ
ಯಥಾ ಶಾರ್ಯಾತೆ
ಯಥಾ ಶಾರ್ಯಾತೆ ಯಥಾ ಶಾರ್ಯಾತೆ
ಅಪಿಬಸ್ಸುತಸ್ಯ
ಅಪಿಬಸ್ಸುತಸ್ಯ ಅಪಿಬಸ್ಸುತಸ್ಯ
ತವ ಪ್ರಣೀತಿ ತವ
ತವ ಪ್ರಣೀತಿ ತವ ತವ ಪ್ರಣೀತಿ ತವ
ಶೂರಶರ್ಮನ್ನಾವಿವಾಸಂತಿ
ಶೂರಶರ್ಮನ್ನಾ ವಿವಾಸಂತಿ ಶೂರಶರ್ಮನ್ನಾ ವಿವಾಸಂತಿ
ನಾವಿವಾಸಂತಿ ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ
ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ ನಾ ವಿವಾಸಂತಿ ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ
ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ
ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ ಕವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಜ್ಞಾಃ
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜಜ್ಞಾನಂ
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜಜ್ಞಾನಂ
ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಪುರಸ್ತಾತ್
ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಪುರಸ್ತಾತ್ ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಪುರಸ್ತಾತ್
ವಿಸೀಮತಃ ಸುರುಚೋ
ವಸೀಮತಃ ಸುರುಚೋ ವಸೀಮತಃ ಸುರುಚೋ
ವೇನ ಆವಹ
ವೇನ ಆವಹ ವೇನ ಆವಹ
ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ
ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ
ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ ಅಸ್ಯ
ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ ಅಸ್ಯ ಸಬುದ್ಧಿಯಾ ಉಪಮಾ ಅಸ್ಯ
ವಿಷ್ಠಾ ಸತಶ್ಚ
ವಿಷ್ಣಾ ಸತಶ್ಚ ವಿಷ್ಣಾ ಸತಶ್ಚ
ಯೋನಿಮಸತಶ್ಚ ವಿವಹ
ಯೋನಿಮಸತಶ್ಚ ವಿವಹ ಯೋನಿಮಸತಶ್ಚ ವಿವಹ
ಓಂ ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ
ಓಂ ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ ಓಂ ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ
ಸಹಿತಾಯ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ
ಸಹಿತಾಯ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತೆ ನಮಃ ಸಹಿತಾಯ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತೆ ನಮಃ
ಓಂ ಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ
ಓಂ ಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ ಓಂ ಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ
ಓಂ ಪ್ರವಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ಭಾನವೇ
ಓಂ ಪ್ರವಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ಭಾನವೇ ಓಂ ಪ್ರವಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ಭಾನವೇ
ಭರಧ್ವಂ
ಭರತ್ವಂ ಭರತ್ವಂ
ಹವ್ಯಂ ಮತಿಂ ಚಾಜ್ಞಯೇ
ಹವ್ಯಂ ಮತಿಂ ಚಾಜ್ಞಯೇ ಹವ್ಯಂ ಮತಿಂ ಚಾಜ್ಞಯೇ
ಸುಪೂತಂ
ಸುಪೂತಂ सुपूतं
यो दैव्यानि
यो दैव्यानि यो दैव्यानि
मानुषा जनुगुंषि
मानुषा जनुगुंषि मानुषा जनुगुंषि
अंतर्विश्वानि विद्मा
अंतर्विश्वानि विद्मा अंतर्विश्वानि विद्मा
विश्वानि विद्मनाजिगाति
विश्वानि विद्मना जिगाति विश्वानि विद्यना जिगाति
शुक्रं ते अन्यद्यजतं ते अन्यतो
शुक्रं ते अन्यते तु ददन्तु
अन्यद्विषु रूपे
अन्यत्रिषु रूपे अन्यत्रिषु रूपे
अहनीद्यौरिवासी
अहनीद्यौरिवासी अहनीद्यौरिवासी
विश्वाहि माया अवसि
विश्वासि मावासि विश्वासि मावासि
स्वधावो भद्राते भूषन्
स्वताहो भद्राशे भूषण. Sir, this is not in the script, sir. This shloka, this shloka that which you are reciting is not in the script.
It is within brackets. This is the most important mantra. It is within brackets ali ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ.
We don't
But
have
this
it.
is main.
Yeah, that we have to get it down, sir. If you dictate it, we can write it, sir.
विहरातिरस्तु
Viharati-rastu, viharati-rastu.
So next mantra beda. Now we come to the Om Adhiti Ashtamatra Saku. Om Adhidevata.
Om Adidevata. Om
Pratyadhidevata.
Pratyadhidevata. Pratyadhidevata.
Sahitaya.
Sahitaya.
Shukraya Namaha.
Shukraya Namaha. Shukraya Namaha.
Now we make prayer to this Shani Bhagavan. Om Shanno Devi.
Om Shanno Devi. Om Shanno Devi.
Abhishtaya.
Abhishtaya. Abhishtaya.
Apo Bhavantu Pitaye.
Apo Bhavantu Pitaye. Apo Bhavantu Pitaye.
Shayorabhisravantu Naha.
Shayyorabhisravantu Naha. Shayyorabhisravantu Naha.
Om Shamagnihi.
Om Shamagnihi.
Om Shamagniragnibihi.
Om Sharatniragnibihi. Om Shamarniragnibihi.
Agnibhiskarachannaha.
Agniviskarachannaha. Agniviskarachannaha.
Tapatu Suryaha.
Tapatu Surya. Tapatu Surya.
Shambhato Vatvarapa.
Shambhatu Vata.
Shambhato Vatvarapa.
Shambhatu Vata.
Apasrithaha.
Apasitaha. Apasitaha.
Prajapatena tvadetani.
Prajapatrena Tvadeni. Prajapatena
नत्वदेतान्यन्यो विश्वा
Tvadeto yanno vishwa Tvadegayanno vishwa
जाता निपरिता बभूव
Jatani parita babuva Jatani parita babuva
यत्कामास्ते जुहुमः
Yatkamaste juhuma Yatkamaste juhuma
तन्नो अस्तु
Tanno astu Tanno astu
वयगुस्यामापतयोरयीणाम्
Vayagum swama patayorayena Vayagum swama patayorayena
इमं यमप्रस्तरमाहि
Imam yamaprastaramahi Imam yamaprastaramahi
सीदाङ्गिरोभिः
Siddhangirobihi
पितृभिः संविधानः
Pitrubhi Samvidana
आत्वा मन्त्राः
Atma mantra
कविशस्तावहन्तु
Kavishastavahantu
वहन्त्वेनाराजन्
Vahantvena rajan
हविषामादयस्व
Avishamadayasva
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता
Om Adidevata Pratyadidevata Om Adidevata Pratyadidevata
सहिताय शनैश्चराय नमः
Sahitaya Shanascaraya Namah Sahitaya Shanascaraya Namah
So in these three mantras, Bruhaspati, Shukra and Shani, in these three mantras, so as we are reading or reciting, we are getting to know who are these planets, what are their qualities, and what powers they have got, and all that is being beautifully explained to us. But again, these are all the mantras drawn from the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, and all that. Each mantra could be traced. So here, the Bruhaspati is addressed in the mantra that he has to be bestowing brilliance upon all, and especially among the people. And he himself shines very much quite bright. And he has to bestow, this says, Tadasmasu Dravidam Dehi Chitram. So bestow in us Chitram Dravidam. Wonderful gift, wonderful presents. What is Chitram Dravidam? Means moksham. Actually, Guru Anugraha is important to get emancipation, to get the rebirth, birthlessness. Therefore, Gurus are there to guide us, ultimately to grant. And even gods are also Gurus, not necessarily humans. So all gods are Gurus. For example, we say, Shivaya Gurave Namaha, Subramanyaya Gurave Namaha. So these are all gods or Gurus who can give us necessary capacity or atmosphere or mind and circumstances that we would be enjoying or getting bestowed with one or the other things. And again, though it's a Bruhaspati mantra, and Indra is also mentioned here because Bruhaspati is the guru of all gods. He is called as yes. So Indra Marutva Somam Iha Pahi. So Tava Praniti Tava Shura Sarman avivasanti kavayah suyagnaha. So the kavis will be very much active, performing the sacrifices, and they will be always under your protection, and they are respecting you. Praniti, they are all revering you, and so please bestow on all the sarma, long drawn sarma to us. So we make a prayer to like that to Guru Graha. That's why for any consideration, the position, the influence and the drishti of Guru is most important. If Guru drishti is there for any activity, then all doshas will be cancelled. And now the Shukra Graha is almost again Surya Bhagavan like, and Suk means heat, energy. So Bhanave Bharadvam, Prabharadvam Bhanave Sukraya. So Shukra, who is almost like the sun, to him you please bear or offer the oblations. Why? Havyam matim chagnaye suputam. Suputam, well sanctified. Havya, and also Mati is the prayer. Mati is the mantra. So accompanied by the mantras, please offer the offering to the Sukragraha. Why? Because yo daivyan imanusha gumshe antar visvani vidma. He knows all about the gods, the men, and all other people, and therefore, and in and out. So Sukra Graha is very important. Moreover, Sukra Graha is Sringara Graha. And if he is very much favorable, if he is very much gracious, then we will be getting all kinds of extra life, luxurious life, and all comforts, everything is there. Therefore, we make a prayer, Bhadrate Push, and Shukra is also associated with that Pushan Devata, and we make Shukra Graha a prayer that please Ihara, He Pushan, Bhadra Te Iharati Rastu. So upon us, you please put secured one, and Rat is Aishwarya. So what Aishwarya is Arogya, and so many things are there which come under the Aishwarya. Not only the Aishwarya does not mean refer to one thing, but everything that is positive. That is called Sampada. Sampada or Kamala. Therefore, we make a prayer to Sukragraha to give that to us all. And moreover, the Sukra is also associated with Indra. So we make a prayer to Indra too, that Asmakamastu Kevalaha. So he has to also bestow individual prosperity in us. Then the next one is we recite a mantra is Shanigraha. Shani is Manda, but he's the sun. He is very powerful, the son of the sun. And so we make a prayer. Senno Devi Abhishtaya Apo Bhavantu Pitaye Syam Yo Abhisravantu Naha. Naha, to all of us, always Abhisravantu Syam. Syam is Shanti. Syam is happiness. Syam is all peace. So let that all come to us. And Devi has to, Syam Devi, Apo Devi, Apo Devi Abhishtaya. So whatever desire we have, please try to fulfill them. And now we turn to Agni. Actually, all these mantras belong to, found in the Vedas. And now, first of all, Agnihi Sham Agnibihi. So let Agni be very much comfortable to us, bestowing, blessing us, together with the Agnis. Because there is not one Agni, there are several Agnis. Agni is the energy, Agni is the power, Agni is the thermal power, and so on. So, Agni Deva, the Divya Agni, Havaniya Agni, that is must be associated, being associated with other kinds of Agni. They must give you prosperity. And also, Suryaha Channaha Tapatu. That is, the Surya Bhagavan must also bless us, showing us the kindness and compassion. And again, we have got reference to Vata Devata, that whatever impure air, whatever that is there, that you please drive off and give us full pure air. Next, we have made a prayer to Prajapati. The Prajapati is also requested, Prajapate nattu etadanyo vishwajatani paritaba. So Prajapati is the guardian of all people that he has created on the land. Therefore, Prajapati, so we ask him, Paritaba, and also request him that with whatever desire we are working for, that desire be fulfilled. Yatkamaste juhumaha tanno astu. With what purpose or objective we are showing our praise and prayer and offering yajna and all that, may we all get that fulfillment. Juhumaha astu. What? See, kamaha juhumaha, etkamaha juhumaha tanno astu. Shani graha. Actually, Shani is a very powerful planet, and that's why he is called Maharaja, and he has worked very hard to get the rank and position and authority as a Maharaja. Therefore, if Shanigraha is well posited, then he will be able to help or take the person to heights. At the same time, if not Anugraha or any not well posited, he can bring all kinds of troubles. So all kinds of difficulties too. That's why, but anyway, we have to make a prayer to the planet. So Vayagum Syama Patayo Rayinam Patayha Syama, may we be the masters of the wealth. Rayi is the prosperity, Rayi is the pushti, Rayi is all positive. So Rayinam Patayha Syama. So with the anugraha of the Manda, the planet, we are to be also very rich and prosperous and healthy. And he is also connected with the Pitru Devatas. And we make a prayer to that he has to take care of even helping the Yama Prastaramahi Asi Angirobhi Pitrubhis Samvidana. So Pitru Ashirvada is also important, and helps the Seni Maharaja will help for that. And now we go to the Rahu Graha. Chapandi. Om Kayanaschitra.
Om Kayanaschitra. Om Kayanaschitra.
Abhuvaduti.
Abhuvaduti. Abhuvaduti.
Sada Vrudhasakha.
Sada Vrudasakaha. Sada Vrudasakaha.
Sakha.
Sakaha.
No, no
Saka.
Visarga. No. Sada
Saka.
Vrudhasakha.
Sada Vrudasaka. Sada Vrudasaka.
Kaya Satishtaya Vruta.
Kaya Sachishtaya Vruta. Kaya Sachishtaya Vruta.
Ayangauhu Prushnirakrami.
Ayangau Prushirakrami. Ayangau Prushirakrami.
Dasananmataram Punaha.
Dasanam Mataram Punaha. Dasanam Mataram Punaha.
Mataram Punaha. Ma Kelgade. Mataram Punaha.
Mataram Punaha. Mataram Punaha.
Pitaram cha Prayantsuvaha.
Pitaram cha prayanstuvaha. Pitaram cha prayanstuvaha.
Yatte Devi Nirutirababandha.
यत्ते देवी निरृतिराबबन्तः यत्ते देवी निरृतिराबबन्तः
दामग्रीवास्वविचक्रम्
दामग्रीवासविचक्रम् दामग्रीवासविचक्रम्
इदं ते तद्विष्यामि
इदन्ते तद्विष्यामि इदन्ते तद्विष्यामि
आयुषो न मध्या
आयुषो न मध्या आयुषो न मध्या
न मध्या तथा जीवः
न मद्या दथा जीवः न मद्या दता जीवः
पितुमद्धि प्रमुक्तः
पितुमद्दिप्रमुक्तः पितुमद्दिप्रमुक्तः
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय
राहवे नमः
राहवे नमः राहवे नमः
ॐ केतुं कृण्वन्न केतवे
ॐ केतुं गृह्णन् केतवे ॐ केतुं गृह्णं केतवे
पेशो मर्यापेशसे
पेशो मर्या पेशसे पेशो मर्या पेशसे
समुषद्भिरजायथा
समुषद्धिर्रजायता समुतश्चिर्रजायता
समुषद्भिः
शमुषद्भिर्रजायताः शमुषद्भिर्रजायताः
ब्रह्मा देवानां
ब्रह्मा देवानां ब्रह्मा देवानां
पदवीः कवीनाम्
पदवीः कवीनां पदवीः कवीनां
ऋषिर्विप्राणाम्
वृषिर्विप्राणां वृषिर्विप्राणां
महिषो मृगाणाम्
महिषो मृगाणां महिषो मृगाणां
श्येनो गृध्राणागुम्
शेनो गृध्राणागं शेनो गृध्राणागं
स्वधितिर्वनानागुम्
स्वदितिर्वनानागं स्वदितिर्वनानागं
सोमः पवित्रमत्येति
सोमः पवित्रमत्येति सोमः पवित्रमत्येति
रेभन्नो
रेभन्नो रेभन्नो
सचित्रचित्रम्
सचित्रचित्रं सचित्रचित्रं
चितयन्तमस्मे
चितयन्तमस्मि चितयन्तमस्मि
चित्रक्षत्र
चित्रक्षत्र चित्रक्षत्र
चित्रतमं वयोधा
चित्रतमं वयोधां चित्रतमं वयोधां
चन्द्रं रयिं पुरुवीरम्
चन्द्रं रयिं पुरवीरं चन्द्रं रयिं पुरवीरं
पुरुवीरं बृहन्तम्
पुरुवीरं बृहन्तं पुरुवीरं बृहन्तं
चन्द्राभिः
चंद्रा चंद्राभिः चंद्रा चंद्राभिः
कृणते युवस्वा
गृणते युवस्वा गृणते युवस्वा
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिता सहितेभ्यः
ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहितेभ्यः ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहितेभ्यः
केतुभ्यो नमः
केतुभ्यो नमः केतुभ्यो नमः
श्री आदित्यादिनवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु
श्री आदित्यादिनवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु श्री आदित्यादिप्रसाद नवग्रह सिद्धिरस्तु
श्री आदित्यादिनवग्रह
नवग्रह
आदि
आदित्यादिनवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु
ॐ तत्सतु
ॐ तत्सत्
ये ग्रहाः
ಏನ್ ಗುರುಜಿ
ये ग्रहाः
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ
ये ग्रहाः
ಏ ಗ್ರಹಾಃ ಏ ಗ್ರಹಾಃ
शुभस्थानेषु स्थिताः
शुभस्थानेषु स्थिताः शुभस्थानेषु स्थिताः
तेषां
तेषां तेषाम्
अत्यन्तशुभफला अस्तु
अत्यन्तशुभफला अस्तु अत्यन्तशुभफला अस्तु
ये ये ग्रहाः
ये ग्रहाः ये ग्रहाः
ये ग्रहाः
ये ग्रहाः ये ग्रहाः
शुभेतरस्थानेषु
उभेतरस्थानेषु उभेतरस्थानेषु
स्थिताः
स्थिताः स्थिताः
येषाम्
येषाम्
अत्यन्त तेषाम् अत्यन्त
येषाम् अत्यन्त
आनुकूल्यता सिद्धि भवतु
आनुकूल्यता सिद्धि भवतु आनुकूल्यता सिद्धि भवतु
ॐ तत्सतु
ॐ तत्सत् ॐ तत्सत्
सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह
सहना
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
मा विद्विषावहै
मा विद्विषावहै
ॐ
ॐ
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
हरिः ॐ
हरि ओम्
सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
सर्वं श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु
सर्वं श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु
ॐ तत्सतु
ॐ तत्सत्
So next class I will review these Navagraha mantras once again, and then I think we start the Nakshatra Suktam for you. It will be very interesting and most important for our practical purposes. I hope we start from Nakshatra Suktam for you, because everybody is born in Nakshatra, one or the other Nakshatra, and we have got many advantages and information about it. I think I can start Nakshatra Suktam for you next time, next class onwards. Is it okay?
Okay, Guruji.
Yes, anybody to talk on this, Rahas?
Guruji, namaskara.
Hmm.
I have a small doubt, Guruji. You said there are 14 lokas regarded by Surya Bhagavan. Whether it is in our solar system or it is.
Yeah, 7 lokas above, 7 lokas down. Sapta lokaha. There's generally saptaloka, saptaloka. It is 14 bhuvanas and so 14 lokas are there. Actually, loka itself is a beautiful concept and a lot of description, because every god has got his own loka. Agni loka, Indra loka, Vayu loka, like that. Whomever we try to devote ourselves, we are supposed to go to his loka first. Therefore, there are 14 lokas, 14 bhuvanas.
Thank you, Guruji.
And Bhuloka is only one of that. To be born in Bhuloka is a highly lucky chance. Because here only we have got the scope to increase punyam or reduce papam, or increase papam and reduce punyam.
Punya.
So punya papalu we are having. ఆ పుణ్య పాపాల పర్సెంటేజ్ రేషియో తగ్గించుకోవడానికి ఎక్కడానికి ఇక్కడే స్కోప్ ఉంది. Otherwise, in other lokas, they all enjoy mostly their punyam. Then once the punyam is over, they will be reverted to Bhuloka. Actually, all are projected from Bhuloka only. That's why there is a lot of competition to be born upon the earth, but we don't realize it.
Yes, Guruji. Yes. Thank you, Guruji.
You are Venkatesh brother, huh?
No, Guruji, I am Ramesh Naivara.
Huh?
Ramesh Naivara.
In India.
In India, Bangalore.
Oh, then I should congratulate you, compliment you that you got up early and you are connected. Very good. But Ramesh is now and then disappearing.
He is little busy, Guruji.
Mm. So you must be finding it very interesting. Very good.
Yes, Guruji, I am following it very interesting. Thank you, Guruji.
Because when we know what we are uttering, we'll be more and more happy that this is what we are asking, this is what we understand it. Good, Babu.
Yes, Guruji. One small doubt. In Veda, is it is it clear there that all the 14 lokas, there are people residing, or it?
No, yes, there are Yaksha, Gandharva, Kinnara, Kimpurusha, Swapada, Sarpa, Siddha. Oh, so many kinds of species are there and tribes are there. See, that's why in Mahanyasam you get a small list of them. Every loka is completely filled. In Narayaniyam, I don't know whether attending that Narayaniyam, in Bhagavatam, you get the concept, information that having created the whole world, they are being filled up with different kinds of people. So that's what is the Brahma. That's why Brahma is constantly busy, more busy than anybody.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
How are Akkaraj Sharma garu? Any thing?
లేదండి నాకేం డౌట్స్ ఏం లేదండి.
Good. That means you are unfollowing all that what is being done. Good.
Guruji. Thank you.
And you just take chance again. When you revise, when you read at home, you'll get some kind of questioning. So, because these mantras are really doubt-free. They're all like Prabhu Samhitas, means what is said only. There is no debate or discussion or contest. Okay. Yes, you are. So we stop tomorrow, we'll meet. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji. Namaskar.
Namaste. Sri Ram.
Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.